Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Friday, January the 17th. Let's quickly jump to our news items for today. At 10 o'clock today, we have a prelim UOM sentiment, and in a couple of minutes, we have building permits, and at 9, we don't have to worry about that anybody speaking. Let's quickly jump to our analysis with our daily chart. Market continues its resilience march up to all-time highs and new all-time records. That, of course, was preempted by the signing of the preliminary deal with China, the trade deal with China, and also the fact that the new trade deal between Mexico, Canada, and the United States was also ratified yesterday in the Senate. Two good pieces of information for our economy and for the world in general. So the market actually graced us with positive information. This chart here can pretty much show you what's going on here. Market tends to sit around for a while. If you notice here, sitting around between areas, trying to find structure. Market breaks through structure, finds top, continues again with the same. You see the same pattern. It hits an area, retraces through a trend line, breaks through the trend line, hits the top again. This time it extended a little bit more. Then it retraces with the trend line, find the market to retest this again, breaks through again. There we go. Just lateral pretty much all day yesterday, just oscillating between those two key areas here. Later in the day, we have the breakthrough, and we established the original all-time high at the 61% extension of our fib, and eventually we came all the way up here in our Fibonacci. If you notice, we pretty much extended this entire run here after this consolidation. We pretty much extended almost 100%. What's next in the market? Well, anybody's guess at this point, the way things are running, but we can get a pretty good idea. Oops, sorry about that, wrong tool. We can get a pretty good idea by just taking a fib from the last run, which is right around, where did we begin? I would say we began like right around here somewhere, till about here. As we broke through, there's our next level of confluence. There you have the 100. There's our next few potential areas to the upside. There's a little bit of confluence up there, but apparently this economy is strong, and it is. There is no reason for this market to kind of step back, and it's just continuing slowly but surely, just continuing its climb to the upside. What do we see today as trading? Well, trading, we broke through the intraday high, which was established late yesterday afternoon. We break through with a lot of strength. Market retraces to retest again what used to be resistance to support, breaks clearly through, retraces, runs, establishes the high. Now we're coming off the highs again. We have two key trend lines here that the market can test before, if it wants to move, if it wants to continue. We have this trend line here and this second trend line here. And as long as the market remains within those areas there, we're expecting the market to try and continue to move higher. It may not do it brilliantly or excitingly, but it will just churn little by little. There's our retracements. There's our first retracement, which matches with this potential area here. Our second retracement matches with this potential area here, and the market can retrace way down to here, to 61%, even 50%. And we're still considering the market a market that wants to continue to the upside. Break through any of these areas obviously provides us with opportunities to the short side, and that's how we're looking at the market this day. So let's look at our trade chart here. Again, there is our trend line there. We have one a little lower, but we're looking at the immediate one. As long as the market remains above this line, we're expecting more continuation. Anything below that, we can take some nice runs to the downside. Have a great trading session. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.